I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to start shooting. First, open camera and swipe to cinematic. This activates depth recording and subject tracking. Make sure you choose resolution and frame rate up front so your footage matches the look you want. 4K 24 FPS feels cinematic, 60 FPS is smoother. Next, pick the lens that frames your subject best and tap to set focus and exposure. Once done, use AE/AF lock if you need consistent exposure during the take. Now compose your shot with depth in mind. Put subjects at different distances so the cinematic blur reads clearly. You can tap any subject to prioritize focus, and the phone's face and eye detection helps keep people sharp. This is why it works better for faces. While recording, shift focus by tapping a new subject to create a smooth rack focus. For predictable results, move the camera slowly and let the algorithm re-evaluate the scene between taps. Complete your clip by reviewing and trimming in Photos or a video editor, and adjust focus points interactively if needed to refine storytelling. Export at the resolution, you selected and enable Dolby Vision for punchier color if your project supports it. If focus jumps unpredictably, make sure subjects have clear separation from the background, lock AE/AF before recording, or reshoot with more pronounced depth cues. This troubleshooting step fixes most errant focus behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.